Hello students, today in community health class we will discuss about bag technique. Bag technique is very important in community health practical. What is bag technique? Bag technique is a procedure using skills and knowledge in preparing and using the equipments of community health bag for performing various nursing interventions at home during home visiting. Dear students, I have made another lecture on home visiting. You can visit that also and learn about the technique of home visiting. So what is community bag? It is also known as healthcare bag, also referred as a nurse bag, community bag, public health bag or home visiting bag. It is a home healthcare bag which contains all essential minimum tools and instruments to carry out home health care during home visiting. Community bag is made up of washable material having a wide strap, you can see here, to hang on shoulders. It contains two types of pockets, outer pockets and inner pockets. Usually two at least outer pocket, or it may be more than two, and inner pocket minimum two or more than two as per need. Outer pockets. So the minimum requirement for outer pocket are newspaper to spread and to place the bag on it, extra paper for making paper bag or waste paper bag, plastic or linen lining, apron, hand towel, soap in soap dish, pocket diary and pen to record the activities. Inner pockets. Inner pockets contains all the instruments as per need like thermometers, at least two pair of scissors, surgical and for cutting bandage, two pair of forceps, a box of slide, disposable syringes, sterile dressings, cotton balls, cold clamp, micropore plaster, fetoscope, tape measure, one pair of sterile gloves, baby weighing scale, alcohol or spirit lamp, two test tube holder, kidney tray, bandages, solutions like betadine, alcohol, that is spirit, Bandit solution, ophthalmic ointments, and other medicines as per need. Articles which are related to family planning activities that we should have, like Mala and Mala Day, condoms, distribution, weighing scale, BP apparatus, and stethoscope. These are carried separately, they are not put in the bag. Any other article as per objective of our visit we can place in the inner pockets of bag. Now we come to bag technique. These are known as steps. So upon arriving at the client's home, place the bag on table or any flat surface after spreading newspaper. Put the bag's handle and strap beneath the bag and place your bag on the newspaper. Open the bag and take the linen or plastic sheet and spread over work area. It is known as work area where this uh, linen is spread. The paper lining clean side out means the side which was folded in it considered it clean, and we spread like this. So clean part of the linen or plastic will be used as work area. We will place the articles of inner pocket here. Now first take out articles of outer pocket for hand washing procedure and place them at one corner of the work area. Ask for hand washing area from the family or a basin of water and a glass of water or jug of water if the wash basin facility is not available. Then do hand washing, wipe dry with the towel and leave the soap dish at the washing area for next hand washing after the procedure. Now open the inner pockets and take out the articles which are needed for specific case like thermometers, kidney tray, cotton ball, waste material, bandage, and place them at one corner of the work area. Now place the waste paper bag outside the work area. Proceed to the specific nursing care or treatment as per need of the family. After completing the nursing care or treatment, clean and sanitize the articles which you have used. Do hand washing again and wipe hands with the towel. Now open the bag and put all the articles back in their proper place. Now fold the linen, plastic linen, clean, place it in the bag. Replace your hand washing articles like towel and soap in the bag and close the bag. Now hang the bag in your on your shoulder and it will be okay. Now provide health education as per need of the family and also make post-visit conference on the matters relevant to healthcare, taking anecdotal notes and preparing for final report. Make appointment for next visit, taking note of the date, time and purpose as per need of the family. Now you can uh, throw the newspaper that was used to place beneath the bag, hold your or put your bag on your shoulders, or you can keep the newspaper holding inside, outside, the upper side inside, and then hold it and place in the another outer pocket of your bag. So dear friends, in this way you can complete your bag technique and home visiting. You can visit my blog for more nursing notes, that is my nursing students blogspot.com, or you can follow me on Twitter @student_support.